Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to prepare noodles omelette. It is an easy and tasty snack by using simple ingredients from your kitchen. So without wasting time, let's start the video and check out the recipe. Here I have used plain noodles. You can also use Maggi noodles or any noodles which you like. So first I have kept water for boiling. When the water started to boil, we need to add 1 tablespoon of salt to it and little oil. Now I am going to add noodles to it. Let it boil for 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame. Once the noodles are boiled, we need to strain the water with the help of a strainer. Next, in a bowl, I am going to add 1 medium-sized finely chopped tomato and onion, half finely chopped capsicum, few coriander leaves, 1 green chilli finely chopped, 2 eggs, salt as per taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. If you are using Maggi noodles, in that you will find a masala powder packet, so you can use that instead of garam masala powder. Mix well. Now I am going to add boiled noodles. And mix well. You can also use pepper powder, ginger garlic paste. They are optional. If you wish, you can add. Heat a pan and spread little oil to it. Now we will add mixture of noodles omelette and spread it evenly. Cover it and cook for 6 to 8 minutes on low flame. One side is cooked now. We need to cook it another side too. If you are going to flip over with the help of a spatula, there is a chance to break this omelette. So use the plate to flip the omelette. Like this, and I am going to apply some oil again and slowly we need to place the omelette to pan. Cook this side also for 6 to 7 minutes by covering the lid, and you can see here the tasty noodles omelette is ready. You can have this as an evening snack or as a breakfast. If you like this recipe, please give a like to this video and share with your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and you will get the notification of my latest videos. Thank you for watching.